Hey everyone, welcome to Digit.in. My name is Swapnil and I'm very excited about tearing into this box of the LG G7. Phone's just come into our office, so I'm not gonna wait any longer and quickly let's just see what's on the inside. Now, the LG G7 is the phone that comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor. It's supposed to have 6 GB of RAM, and interestingly, LG has decided to switch back to an LCD IPS panel for this phone rather than their OLED display. So, opening the box, and you see that there is a cloth, and there's a good reason for this, so we'll get to that in a bit. That's the phone, the LG G7 ThinQ. It's the silver variant of the phone. Looks like blue, silver, something. Anyhow, so then there's some instruction manuals, quick start guide, all of that in here. Put that aside. There's a pair of earphones as well. Then there's a fast charger and a USB Type-C cable that you get in the box. So this is a fairly standard kit when you buy any LG G series, or in fact for that matter even the V series of phones, which come with a focus on audio, they come with a focus on fast charging, and it's all about making the device feel and look premium right from the minute you unbox it. So I'm just quickly going to go ahead and take that apart. So starting this up now, the LG G6, which is the predecessor to this phone, had a more sharp corners. The edging was sharper, it looked more robust, but this one has slight curvature to the back. And as you can see over here, the amount of fingerprints this phone has already gathered, and that's why LG puts that microfiber cloth in the box. So this is LG's 6.1-inch display. It's an IPS LCD panel. It has a notch, and the aspect ratio, of course, therefore is 19:9. It's also got a dedicated AI button. There is a button here, and then there's a button here, and we're going to find out very soon which one of these two is the power button and which one is the AI button. On the back, you have a dual camera setup, and as always, LG is sticking to its ultra wide and wide angle lens. And just by looking at it, you can tell that one of the lenses has an extremely wide aperture. So this is supposedly an f1.6 aperture. Other than that, LG has also put in DTS:X technology for headphones. It's again audio focused smartphone right here. And now let's see, as the phone boots up, what do we get? Now, this phone is going to be available in multitude of variants. There's colors, in fact. There's supposedly blue, there's silver, there's black. There's also a raspberry gold, raspberry pink for that matter. And what we have here is supposed to be the black variant. Now, that's all right. As for the price is not yet announced. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly set this phone up. With the introduction of the LG G7 in India, now this is supposed to be, I think, the 5th phone with the Snapdragon 845 chipset. We've got something from OnePlus, we've got Asus, we've got Vivo, we've got Oppo, now LG as well. That's come to the market with the Snapdragon 845. So yeah, quickly just gonna agree there. And of course, this phone could have come to the market sooner, but LG has its reasons for introducing devices when they do. Okay, so I'm going to press the right button, and of course on the right we have the power buttons, and on the left this dedicated key is the AI assistant key. So there we go, and when I push this, it brings me to Google Assistant, not LG's own ThinQ AI. So right off the bat, it's easy to tell this is an IPS LCD display because there is a separation between the notch and the display at the back, and by default they have the hide notch feature enabled. So going to quickly go ahead and disable that. So there's also, of course, the resolution is pretty high at 3120 by 1440. This display supports Dolby Vision, it supports HDR10, so that's also extremely impressive. You can essentially watch any of your HDR enabled content, whether it's from Netflix or whether it's from Amazon, right on here. So just quickly going to turn off the notch. Now, oh, that's what LG does. So LG calls it the second screen for some reason. And if you notice, as I push these different buttons, these color options, it changes color. So I'm just going to go back to standard, and this is now the notched look. So this is a quick unboxing and first look at the LG G7 ThinQ, whatever they want to call it. So yeah, 6.1-inch gorgeous phone from LG, very prone to fingerprints, but hopefully we can get past that. Thank you guys for watching, and in case you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit like on this video. Thank you.